Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can remove the Made in Framer badge in Framer. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, we need to log in to our Framer account, and once logged in, you can see right here the list of all the projects you are working on. So choose one, and then on the bottom right of your project, you're going to click on More, and you're going to see this drop-down menu. Click on Upgrade Plan. From here, you're going to see the list of all the plans available for you to use. Take note that the Made in Framer badge is only present when you're using Framer for free. So, choose a plan and click on Subscribe. After that, you're going to place your contact information and the payment method that you want to use. And after subscribing, all the projects that you would then make using Framer would automatically have the Made in Framer badge removed. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!